What do you think about people disrespecting MongoDB as an easy for dummies database as opposed to likes of Postgres? I think that maybe some people do joke about this related to maybe JavaScript as well. That is easy for beginners and don't understand the complexity of it. When you start studying it more, maybe there's a parallel there. But what do you think?
I think like MongoDB is kind of easier at first because you don't have to create table, just start data in the database. But like the concepts are kind of the same, like both SQL and NoSQL, they gonna use like Beatrice at the end, storing the data in the file, in the disk. So the concepts are the same. You still need to understand data modeling. You still need to understand how you're gonna query the data, your query workload. So I think it's easier. If you don't know what to do, maybe MongoDB is easier at the beginning, but like as you grow, as you want to scale your application, you need to understand all these concepts. There's no way to, how can I say, just create like a scalable product without understanding the concepts or understand how this works, how to use like a query planner, how they store the queries, how the index works, how can you optimize this. And are the same concepts on the same side, You have the same ideas on the SQL and then you have the same on NoSQL, You can like avoid all this kind of topics, that you learn mostly on the university. So you cannot like avoid this at all as you grow, as if you want like to build like scalable products.
And I would even say that the fact that MongoDB is easier on the beginning, I think it's because the language that you use to query data and manipulate data is way more natural, mainly for who works on like web development. For example, everyone knows JSON. Like it's going to be one of the first things you're going to learn. And when you are querying like a MongoDB table, if you want, for example, to filter the fields you want to retrieve, you're using JSON basically. The data that you send to MongoDB is also basically a JSON, like JSON-like format. And yeah, even like the default driver for like the default MongoDB driver that you can use on JavaScript, for example, it's very easy to use. When you need to learn SQL, for example, you need to like learn a brand new language. You're thinking a lot about how you're going to be querying the data rather than the data itself. On MongoDB, you're just dealing with the data you're storing. So yeah, I think that's why the beginning of the MongoDB is easier, but like the concepts, like I think it's as hard as Postgres, for example, as hard as a SQL language to master it. But yeah, I think the baseline is easier.
Yeah, and I feel that sometimes developers, especially more experienced one, will say things like that. Oh, that thing is too easy in a kind of a negative way. It's good to be easy, right? If it's not that complex, I mean, if we can make things easy, why make things complex? It's not like that is a bad thing to be easy, right? And if you want to host your MongoDB instances with a very attractive pricing and modern infrastructure, you should consider Galaxy. Galaxy is the cloud hosting platform maintained by Meteor software. And at the moment, we do support Meteor apps, Node apps, and Python apps, and of course, MongoDB hosting. Don't leave this video without clicking on the link that is in the description, where you can see all the prices and plans that we have made specially for you and bring your database to Galaxy today.